Maksud Village Vlog. Mag-shoot. Nag-vlog ka. Okay. Maksud Village Vlogs. Thank you for coming at night. Thank you for coming at night, my friend. Ayan. Ano kasi, yan. Oh, yan. Miguel Shouty. Thank you, my friend, for coming my live at night. Thank you. Like. Thank you, my friend. Please connect to Not for Bring Nonsense, my friend. Thank you. Namaste. Sa fit lang tayo, ha. Fit lang. Si wala paligo. Relaxing fit. Guys, please connect on my pin for Bring Nonsense. Magsud Village, thank you, my friend. Thank you, Magsud Village. On. Thank you. Namaste, my friend. Namaste. This is short video, short live for update. Happy Sunday, my friend. Please connect on my pin. Naan mo naman yan. Baba kasi pera ko dyan. Hello, Maria Luz. Kamusta ka na? Maria Luisa. Hindi ako nagpakita kasi may ubo ako. Bigyan lang shoutout. Happy Sunday sa'yo, sis. Kamusta na dyan sa lugar nyo? Kamusta naman dyan? Buhay-buhay. Salamat sa pagbisita. Magsud Village, thank you, my friend. Thank you. I'm going to your channel after my live, my friend. Good PM din, Maria Luis. Thank you for coming, Sisi. Okay naman po, kahit palaging umuulan. Get well soon. Oo, thank you. Dalia, thank you. Salamat, Maria Luz. Ikaw din dyan. Sunday, no? Walang pasok. Bukas na naman ulit. Tag-ulan na kasi. Kaya laging relax muna tayo at may pasok na naman bukas. Dalia Ayad, Miguel Shouty. Thank you, Dalia Ayad. Please connect to Maria Luisa. Magsud Village, guys. Please connect. Magsud. Ano ba to? Maksud Village. For update, guys. Sorry, guys, for update. Napunta sa paa. Trip lang. Thank you, guys. Sige, lang. Isang pangarap.